The NP Structures roll-off roof development model has successfully completed more than 2,500 opening and closing movements. This milestone marks an important step in the development of a new approach to greenhouse ventilation. Unlike many roll-off roof systems, the roof can stop at any position, allowing growers to precisely control ventilation rather than simply choosing between open and closed. When movement stops, the drive system maintains tension in the cover, keeping it tight across the structure throughout the opening range. Ventilation begins at the highest point of the greenhouse, where warm air naturally accumulates first. By opening progressively from the apex downwards, the system provides controlled release of heat while maintaining a stable growing environment. Following thousands of successful movements and ongoing refinement, the project is now moving towards its first commercial installation.